Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you a few tricks you can use for the camera on Motorola Edge 30 Fusion. So first let's open up our camera. Right here we can take the burst shot if you didn't know, so simply hold the shutter button and that way you'll be able to take the multiple photos with just holding this button. Next is that you can change the brightness very quickly, but first we'll need to actually disable this setting right here. Go for the capture and tap anywhere to capture. Now if we click anywhere on the screen it will focus and we can change brightness like this. Next option which we just disabled is to go for the capture settings and right here enable the tap anywhere to capture. And now if you press anywhere on the screen you'll be able to take a photo, but you can't change the brightness right now the way that I previously shown you. Also go to the settings and change the save settings to enable save location, and now if you take a photos you'll see the location of them where you took them in the photos information. You'll be able to see it right here. And now let's open the settings again to go to the photos or capture settings, and right here if you go for the shutter sound and disable it, there will be no sound for the shutter anymore. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.